This How to 1 Minute will show you how to import contacts from Google to iPhone. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app and search for Contacts. Once you get it, tap on Contacts and tap on Accounts. If you have already synced a Google account to your device, then tap on the Google account. And here you will find Contacts option. You must have to toggle on this and then tap on Account, tap on Advanced. Make sure to switch Use SSL on, then tap on Account, tap on Done. Now try adding your account again, and that's how we can import contacts from Google to iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.